too heavy to lift out. So we dismantle leaf crate. Slide out the top piece. Remove the arm first. It will be lighter and safer. Remove cover sand springs. Remove the side cover. Remove back bracket. It's 2 nuts. Keep your parts organized. Mark your center. Okay, now we've got it. Quick recap. Dismantle the crate. Take off the covers. Take out the springs. Remove the side cover. Remove bracket. Clamp on vice grips. Center and level main bracket. Mark your drill bit for depth. Back off the lags. I guess it helps. Drill holes for lags. Sink your drill bit only to the depth mark. Drill your holes. Put in the lags. Lots of them. Tighten them up. Put the springs in. Drop in the Doc Loc. Open or lift leveler.
Oh, ½ inch.
Lift the bracket so bolts fall in place. Replace both nuts.
I am. Thank you. Happy? Happy. This tucks right on there.
Install side panel. Install spring covers. Reinstall the arm. Doc Loc is now installed, ready for electrician.